Hi, crafty friends. I have a small little Dollar General haul that I thought that I would share for you. I went in there specifically to look for some junk journaling supplies, and I found a few other things. So I want to show you what I found. Right now, they have a whole bunch. Well, I wouldn't say a whole bunch, but they have like this little section that has lemons and strawberries. Mainly, I seen more lemon things than I did strawberries. Otherwise, I would have purchased more strawberry things. But they have these cups. These are $3 a piece, but they're so pretty. Aren't they cute? They have these like inset little lemons and strawberries. Love that. And then they had these little glass jars. I like to put my sugar in my little coffee slash tea section. Um, and I thought those were cute. They were $2. They did have ones that have strawberries as well, but I grabbed the lemons. I do have lemon stuff. It's like a black and white yellow kitchen. It's like mainly black and white with pops of lemon, yellow, and bees. It's kind of a weird selection, but that's what I have going on there. And then I found this because it's cute. It is a little blue. I don't really have pops of blue, but I figured I could add pops of blue if I really wanted to. And that this is only $1 anyway. And then I got these two little magnets. I do like their magnets. I think they're really cute, and they're only $1. Squeeze a day and life is better with a twist. Thought those were cute. And then this is what I found. So I found these ones are in the Easter section. And they're playing cards, but I'm going to be using them for junk journaling. I'll probably put together, like, I don't, never am I going to be able to use like everything. So I probably will share with friends. I'm in like two, well, technically three, but one is a book journal. I'm in two Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal groups and a traveling book journal one as well. And I just wanted to get some supplies. I also really want to make some junk journals, like little ones and big ones. I just want to make some junk journals, and I thought these would be cute. So this one is the Go Fish. You get 4 of everything. So you have butterflies, bees, frogs, fish, a pig, a cat, a cow. Oh, look at these ones. And the chick. So whoever printed these, like, left behind their evidence. They smudged some ink, but they're still cute. This is what the back looks like. So, I mean, like I said, I could keep 1 of everything or 2 of everything and trade with people, you know. I think that could be a cool little swap to trade. This one is Old Hen. These were $1.50. Sorry, I don't think I said that. So these ones were $1.50 a piece. And then this one we have, I don't know if there's 2 of everything. There should be. I only see 1 monkey, but did I? No, he's not stuck in there. Maybe he's in the back. There's the monkey. So we got 2 of everything here. I know that these are a little on the cutesy, a little on the juvenile side, which isn't always what I like, but a lot of people do. Oh, look at the little snail, flower, carrots, bunnies, egg. Oh, look at lion, cat, suns, bees, and a pig. I think they're cute. And I like the size. You can alter like the cards as well. And I don't know. I just want to play. Like the journaling has, like junk journaling has just made my heart happy. That's what I've just am kind of focused on doing right now. Like a few swaps here and there, but journaling and being able to create and make whatever I want is just really brought like reduce some anxiety. Like, I don't know. It's just fun. I find like a nice creative outlet of doing so. So these are the Crazy Eights, and these ones do have numbers on them. So you got a whole suit of flowers, a whole suit of bees, a whole suit of bunnies and chicks. So those aren't as fun, but I still thought they were cute for $1.50. And then I went, oh wait, I have one more thing that was in the Easter section. I have this little sticker book. Some of the stickers were really cute. I only could see off to the side, but let's see if I can't open this. I'm usually pleasantly surprised with their sticker books. So I like getting them in there if they're only $1. But I like the size of the little things. Oh, look how cute the little bunnies are. See, I couldn't see the bunnies. Then we have this one. Oh, look at the little bees. These are cute. You have Happy Easter that you can write out. Oh, look at the little rainbows with the ears. You get little flowers. So they're not, like, definitely you can use these for other things than Easter, but they're very springy. Oh, we have these ones that look like little peeps. Those are cute. Look at all the little daisies with the face in them. See, very cute. I'm glad I picked that up. I just took a whim and I didn't even really look, like flip through the side. I was like, oh, I'll just grab it. It's only $1. And then I went over to like the book section, little kids section, and I picked up 2 of these books. Most of them were kind of Eastery. I didn't really love them, but I found 2 that I was like, oh, those are kind of cute. Because I would love to make like little mini journals junk journals out of these. Kind of like the little golden books. I feel like they have a similar vibe, but I like the size of them. And the pages were cute. I think that I can definitely play with these ones. This one's just kind of alphabet. And then this one was dogs. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that are dog lovers. So I thought that this could be cute. It has different types of dogs. Was there like a pug, a husky? What else is there? Just a brown dog. But I thought that those were cute, and I'm going to try to play with them. They were only $1.50, so if they don't work out, I think that these might be easier to take apart than the golden books because they do have like a sewn-in spine instead of a glued-in spine. So that's why I was like, ooh, I'm going to try to play with them. So they have a couple other ones. Hopefully they'll get more in. But, I mean, I could completely cover them and just use the bones for junk journaling as well. But, yeah, I looked at them and I found this spine. And I was like, oh, I think that those would be fun to play with, easy to use. I picked up some Hello Kitty flashcards because they were Hello Kitty. Got lots of Sanrio friends out there. Let's see what they look like. I did pick up a bunch of stuff at the Dollar Tree as well, but I'll do that in a different haul. They're all this like green turquoisey combo, which I like. I think is cute, and I thought they were fun. So one side's kind of matte, and one side is kind of a glossy. But I think that those would be fun to play with. Again, I can share because do I need all of those? No, but I could even make kits even, I don't know. And then I found a couple other new things. I found these little cat stickers. Thought those were cute. I love the little like grandma cats with their little scarves on. And then I found some cat paper clips. And then I found this cherry. This is clearly a strawberry. I think that these were only $1 a piece, and I think that's why I grabbed them. I could be wrong, but I think they were only $1 a piece. So that is my Dollar General haul. It was just a small one. I feel like they haven't really had a whole lot of new stuff out. They didn't do as many peep things as they did last year. Not that I'm really doing a whole lot of spring crafting right now. But yeah, I'm excited for them to turn over and bring out some summer stuff. And not last year, but the year before, they did like a whole barbecue section, and they had like the stickers, and they had little bingo cards and stuff like that. I really hope they bring something like that back out because those are perfect for scrapbooking or junk journaling. And I do have some from a couple years ago, like the bingo cards and stuff like that I'm definitely gonna be pulling out for, you know, my summer junk journals. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I hope that you are finding some good finds out there yourself. So see you in the next video.